In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit questions on Calendly. Whether you're using Calendly to schedule meetings, organize events, or streamline appointments, customizing the invitee form is an essential step to gathering the information you need from your attendees. By tailoring your questions, you can ensure your invitees provide the right details upfront, saving you time and avoiding confusion later on. Plus, Calendly makes it simple to make these changes, and I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive straight into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, you'll need to navigate to the event type section. This is where all your events are organized. Calendly categorizes events into different types, allowing you to manage each one individually so you can customize the settings for one event without affecting others. Now, locate the specific event type you want to modify. Once you've found it, look for the three dots icon next to the event. Go ahead and click on it, and then select the Edit option from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open up the settings for that particular event. In the pop-up window that opens, you'll see a range of options. To access the advanced settings, click on More Options. This step is important, because it gives you access to the finer details of your event configuration, including the invitee form. Next, scroll through the options until you find the Invitee form section. This is where all the current questions for your invitees are stored. It's essentially the part of your event setup that determines what details your attendees will need to provide when they book with you. If you want to edit any of these existing questions, simply click on the one you want to modify. From here, you can adjust the wording of the question, update the answer choices, or even change the question type, like switching from a single-line text question to a multiple-choice format. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune your form so it gathers exactly the information you need. If you'd like to add a brand new question, look for the plus Add New Question button. Depending on your version of Calendly, this button may have slightly different wording, but it will be clear that it lets you add a question. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to define the text of your question. After that, you'll choose the type of answer you want to allow, for instance, free text, a drop-down menu, or checkboxes. Finally, decide whether or not the question should be mandatory. Making a question mandatory ensures your invitees must fill it out before they can complete their booking, which is helpful for gathering critical information. After you've finished editing or adding your questions, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the invitee form section and click on the Save Changes button. This step is crucial because it ensures that all of your modifications are applied and that your invite form is fully updated for your event. And that's it. You've successfully customized the questions for your invitee form in Calendly. By following these steps, you can tailor your forms to suit the specific needs of each event type, ensuring you collect all the necessary information from your attendees. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.